The future of AI is here, and it's more exciting than ever. Stay tuned to discover the top 5 AI skills for 2024. As we journey further into the digital age, the importance of artificial intelligence continues to grow, shaping industries, transforming professions, and creating a multitude of opportunities. For those with a keen eye on the tech industry, having the right AI skills can be the key to a successful and fulfilling career. But what are these skills? Which ones will be in high demand come 2024? In this video, we'll delve into the top 10 AI skills that are set to take center stage in the near future. From machine learning to computer vision, these skills are not just about understanding algorithms and models, but about leveraging them to solve real-world problems and drive innovation. So, are you ready to step into the future? But before we start, if this is first time to the channel, please hit that subscribe button as we are on a quest to reach 1,000 subscribers. Now let's unveil the top 10 AI skills for 2024. Imagine a computer that learns from its experiences. That's what machine learning is all about. In essence, it's the heartbeat of artificial intelligence, where algorithms learn from data, making predictions or decisions. The world of machine learning is vast and exciting, with an array of models to explore. From understanding the theory and mathematics behind linear regression, logistic regression, and decision trees, to delving into the complexities of neural networks, the journey is filled with discovery. And it doesn't stop there. The practical aspect involves implementing these models using renowned frameworks and libraries such as TensorFlow, PyTorch, and Scikit-learn. Whether you're aspiring to be a data scientist, a machine learning engineer, or a research scientist, machine learning is a vital skill to possess. So, why wait? Dive into machine learning and embark on an incredible journey in the realm of AI. Mastering machine learning could set you on the path to an exciting career in AI. Now, let's dive deeper into the world of AI with deep learning. Deep learning is an exciting subset of machine learning that uses neural networks with multiple layers. These layers work to solve complex problems, from computer vision to natural language processing, and even speech recognition. It's like teaching a computer to see, understand, and respond in human-like ways. Fascinating, isn't it? To excel in deep learning, one needs a solid understanding of different neural network architectures, including convolutional and recurrent neural networks, and more recent developments like transformers. Knowledge of how to train, optimize, and deploy these networks is vital too. Tools like Keras, PyTorch Lightning, and Google Cloud AI Platform are your allies in this journey. Deep learning is especially crucial when dealing with unstructured data such as images, text, and audio. So if you're intrigued by the idea of working with these, deep learning is your ticket. Deep learning skills are highly sought after, and mastering them could open doors to fascinating AI roles. Ever wondered how Siri or Alexa understand your commands? That's the magic of natural language processing. This exciting branch of AI deals with analyzing, understanding, and generating natural language. Think English, French, Mandarin, or any other language you can imagine. And it's not just about understanding language, it also involves generating it. Imagine a world where your device can not only understand what you're saying, but can also respond in a way that feels completely natural. That's the power of natural language processing. The skills required in this field are as varied as the languages it deals with, from tokenization, stemming, and lemmatization, to more complex techniques like sentiment analysis, text summarization, and machine translation. Moreover, there's a whole host of state-of-the-art NLP models and frameworks to get your head around, like BERT, GPT-3, Spacey, and NLTK, to name a few. With high demand for NLP skills, you could find yourself working on the next big chatbot or content creation AI. What if computers could see and understand the world around them? Welcome to the realm of computer vision. Imagine a world where technology can interpret visual data as we do. That's the magic of computer vision, a branch of artificial intelligence that processes, analyzes, and understands visual data, be it images or videos. It's like giving eyes to a machine, but with an analytical mind behind it. The skills you need for this field are vast and varied. You need to be familiar with techniques such as image classification, object detection, face recognition, optical character recognition, and image segmentation. On top of that, you'll need to know how to use state-of-the-art computer vision models and frameworks like YOLO, ResNet, and OpenCV. Computer vision is transforming industries left, right, and center. It's pivotal in self-driving cars, facial recognition systems, and medical imaging, among other applications. Mastering computer vision could land you a role in exciting projects from self-driving cars to medical imaging. Data is the new oil, and data engineering is all about refining it. In the realm of artificial intelligence, data engineering plays a pivotal role, serving as the backbone of all other AI skills. It's the process of designing, constructing, and maintaining the architectures that allow data to flow smoothly from source to destination. This might sound simple, but it's an intricate art that involves the management of big data, the creation of data pipelines, and the transformation of data into formats that can be easily analyzed. Proficiency in programming languages such as Python and Java, a solid understanding of databases and SQL, and a knack for problem solving are the key skills in the tool belt of a data engineer. Mastery of cloud platforms like AWS and Google Cloud is also an asset. Data engineering ensures that machine learning, deep learning, natural language processing, and computer vision systems have the high-quality data they need to function effectively. Mastering data engineering is crucial for any career in AI. It's the foundation upon which all AI applications are built. These are the top 5 AI skills for 2024. But remember, the AI landscape is always evolving. We've journeyed through the realms of machine learning, deep learning, natural language processing, computer vision, and data engineering, each an essential pillar in the AI universe. These skills are not just buzzwords. They're powerful tools that can transform the trajectory of your career, opening doors to opportunities you might never have imagined. Whether it's creating algorithms with machine learning, designing neural networks in deep learning, decoding languages with natural language processing, understanding visual data through computer vision, managing vast data landscapes with data engineering, each skill is a critical piece of the AI puzzle. The transformative power of these skills is immense, and the potential they hold for 2024 and beyond is truly exciting. Don't miss out on the future of AI. Start learning these skills today, and share this video with others who might find it useful. Until next time, keep learning and keep growing.